Today, Alice from Domain is here with Dr Nicola Powell, the Chief Data Scientist for Domain. Dr Nicola spends every waking moment analysing real estate data. Nobody knows more about real estate cycles. The doc is giving our teams a snapshot of the types of buyers in St Kilda and the current market downturn.
We see Dr Nicola all the time on the Today Show, and we're big fans.
We just had a little chat about who our potential buyers were.
It is a particular type of buyer that is purchasing a terraced house or a house within St Kilda. There is a large proportion of households in St Kilda that are on over 200,000 a year. Houses are 2/3 owned by live-in owners. So I think really that's your target market.
She's talking science and arithmetic.
Statistics.
One of the biggest demographics are between 30 and 39. They're likely to have young children or teenage children if they're slightly older.
But not everyone is interested in the science.
Grey Street was the best street in Melbourne.
And today's lecture, the history of St Kilda.
Moved from St Kilda to Toorak because the train line came directly from Melbourne to St Kilda. They built the train line to South Yarra and Toorak, 1880.
And then the people here, they couldn't afford it.
They nearly could have taken a seat and just listened, right?
Yeah.
I'll educate you.
OK, Doc, take back the class, please.
What we've particularly seen in Melbourne, it has been the upper end that led the price growth, but it's also leading the downturn in the market as well.
Yeah.
So there's certainly fewer transactions going on. You've got to keep that in mind. It is challenging conditions and probably some of the more challenging conditions the block has seen, really.
Everyone's saying the market's not doing well. However, a quality build and design and luxury is outperforming every other sale in the market. The median sale price is, I think, around $1 million at the moment. But there is so much wealth in St Kilda. There's homes between $5 to $10 million literally on our doorstep.
He was giving them the information.
Yeah, I was letting them know what was what.
We'll walk out, or else I think you'll just keep talking to us.
Oh, mate.
We'll get back to fixing your master suite.
Thank you. See ya.
See you next time.
It was great.